So, Asher Forrester, if you presume to speak of my dragons, choose your words carefully.
Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Weiter geht es an der Mauer mit dem guten Garrett und wir spielen Game of Thrones. Okay. Dann macht er hier mal Licht.
Big day tomorrow, isn't it? Off to Craster's Keep. Assuming you're not too busy looking for your North Grove.
I thought you didn't
Kacke,
believe
dass
in
er
it.
jetzt davon
Not saying
weiß.
I do. But if it was real, can you trust Potter with it? You ask me. There's just something off about him. Aside from him being an early thief on me. Like he's holding something back.
Cotter's not a bad sort. I trust him.
Even after he tried stealing your map.
Nun ja.
But if we're going out there tomorrow, in the middle of fucking nowhere, I'd want to know who I can trust.
Finn, get back on watch until your relief arrives.
They're late!
You think Mance Rayder is going to wait for them?
Right! Asshole.
And Tuttle, you've got torches that have gone out. Keep them lit. Let the wildlings know we're still home.
Okay. Guck, dass alles an ist. Jede Fackel macht warm. Ah ja, stimmt, das sind wirklich zwei. Ah. Komm, Fackeln angucken. Das ist eine brennende Fackel.
Yeah, this one's still good.
Yep, ist sie. Die da nicht übrigens. Also, ne, die brauche ich nicht anzusehen. Doch, ich gucke mir sie mal an. Ich habe noch nie eine nicht brennende Fackel gesehen. So aus der Nähe.
To light this torch.
Das stimmt. Dann machen wir das. Zack, Feuerchen. Sag mal, wie ist das eigentlich? Mit was werden die gespeist? Das siehst du ja auch in Filmen und so, weißt du? Da sind Fackeln 30.000 Millionen Jahre, hängen sie irgendwo rum und dann kommt einer und dann so brennt. Ja klar, was ist denn da drin? Wieso liegen die da eigentlich so blöde rum? Das waren die
Uncle
guten
Duncan
Schilde vom
brought these
Onkel.
from Ironrath.
Hier liegen sie so doof rum.
Wonder if I'll ever see it again.
Eisenrad? Eher nicht. Verwenden? Wie kann man denn die verwenden? Rantreten.
That's ironwood for sure.
Yep. Hält auch Dritte aus. Da ist eine Sperre. Die gucken wir uns natürlich an.
If anyone tries
Ach,
coming over the
Speere!
wall.
Ach so!
Ah,
Ich dachte,
will stop
ja, aber die versperren ja auch den Weg. Verstehst du? Ernsthaft, da stand doch eben Sperre, oder? Mit Doppel-R, nicht mit Doppel-E. Na doof. Haben wir sonst noch irgendwas zu gucken? Nee, kann ich eigentlich da reinlaufen? Ah, da so eine Fackel. Was war das da oben? Eismauer. Guck mal, Eis.
solid
Kalt.
ice. This won't be melting anytime soon.
Gut, dann zünden wir mal die Fackel an. Ich bin Lucifer, der Feuerbringer. Es bimmelt. Bimmelt denn da so blöde? Keine Ahnung. Machen die jetzt schon Geräusche beim Anzünden, die Fackeln oder was? Was ist mal da hinten? Ein Aufzug? Ja, ich guck mal einen Aufzug, Alter.
Wonder
Ja,
who's riding it.
keine Ahnung. Aber das ist noch eine Fackel. Was war denn das da oben? Stützbalken. Ja, den haben wir auch noch nicht angeguckt. Müssen wir auch noch angucken hier. Stützbalken.
This must hold up the lift.
Also.
Probably fall apart if it wasn't frozen together.
So, guck mal, da ums Eck. Kann ich da hingehen? Ist da auch eine Speere? Da ist ein Aufzug. Guten Tag. Guten Abend, gute Nacht, keine Ahnung.
Pig farmer. A 300-mile walk, and you're still in my way. I figured we'd settle things on the way to Craster's, but this is even better.
I don't have any time for you anymore, Brett. I hate you. You hate me. Now let's move on.
Had something more painful in mind. I did duty to my lord back on that bloody farm. And for doing a proper job of it, what'd I get? Banished to the fucking wall!
Ey. Der macht meine Fackel aus.
I never did tell you about your father, did I? We bled him at first, like a pig. Seemed only fair he should feel what it's like. Near the end, he could barely breathe. Kept begging us to leave your sister alone. So I made sure he was still alive when she started screaming. It was the last thing your father ever heard. The more we sliced, the worse it got. Shrieking the whole time. Her crying out, "Garrett, you fucking shit!"
Sorry, ich bin ausgerutscht. Ganz übel bin ich ausgerutscht. Eieiei. Es ist aber auch ein glitschiger Controller, den ich hier habe. Echt jetzt. Also, der ist wirklich
Too
schlimm.
bad your father didn't fight like
Schlimm
that.
und glitschig ist
I'd
der.
still be alive. And I thought you were going to make this easy. Finally getting the hang.
You want my blood?
Ja, hör auf
Well,
zu
come
labern und
and
komm
get it!
her.
That was pathetic.
Und das auch.
Let's see if
war
you
denn das?
scream like your sister.
Guck mal, wir haben dieselben Schwerter. Scheint irgendwie so ein Standardschwert zu sein. Jetzt hat er kein Schwert mehr.
You got lucky,
Sein
Big
Standardschwert ist
Farmer.
irgendwie
You're going to slaughter
abgehauen.
me.
Ah ja, ich hatte Glück. Schon wieder? So
At
wie
least
damals
let
auf
me
dem
have my
Bauernhof.
sword. Keep it interesting. Or are you afraid?
Ich geb ihm eine faire Chance. Nein.
Fuck you! You never gave my father any mercy!
Hey. Hoppala. Ah, geht's noch? Alter. Finger weg. In die Hand gebissen. Ah. Shit, geh weg, Mann. Was ist denn jetzt los? Was? Oh, er hat eine Sperre in der Hand. Was los? Junge, mach das blöde Stückchen weg. Tust dir noch weh dabei. Okay. Also eigentlich dachte ich mach das so ein bisschen...
The hands of a fucking Forrester. Just fucking finish it. Go on. End this.
Don't piss yourself on the way down.
Hallöchen, Popöchen. Freiflug. Plopp. Nicht unbedingt gut. Vor allen Dingen, er liegt doch jetzt da unten. Jeder kann ihn sehen. Jeder kann sehen, dass er Wunden hat. Das ist vielleicht... Ey, aber komm, wir haben uns verteidigt. Ganz klar haben wir uns verteidigt. Konnten da nichts machen.
My lord,
Das ist in mein Schwert gerannt.
I'm afraid. The Whitehills have driven them away from the Ironwood groves.
Out of the way!
And so they come to us, looking for food. Food we don't have to spare. How can we support an army and retain our position in the north if we can't even feed the people we see before us? It's like the dead of winter's come. And it doesn't look like it's getting better.
These are hard times, to be sure. Harder than I've ever seen. But I'll do whatever it takes to get us through it.
Well, I hope we can figure something out. As long as the Whitehills are in our house, we have to be careful.
Come
Oh,
on,
die so
you.
blöde.
Let me go!
Hey, was soll
Can't
das?
do this!
Good. You're here. Look. Look at this. Did you see what this girl did?
Was?
She attacked my man like an animal.
Bloody bit me!
Yeah, now it's her turn. She's gonna get what she has coming to her. This won't go unpunished.
Let go of me!
I don't care if she's your sister.
She bit your man.
How did that happen? What did he do to her?
That doesn't matter.
Wie-
It matters what she
es
did.
spielt sehr wohl eine Rolle.
I saw him stealing from our kitchen, and I told him to stop. He laid his hands on me, so I bit him.
Bloody wench!
I was only doing what had to be done.
I warned you not to mistreat my men.
Ja,
Someone
aber
will
er
have to answer
darf
for this.
irgendwie
Do you hear me?
meine Schwester oder was?
Don't make this ugly.
Your men are out of control. That's the problem here.
It's
Definitiv.
your people who don't know the order of things. This girl's as untamed as a wildling.
Don't listen to him, Roderick.
And if you can't rein her in, yeah, what about the rest of them? It's about time she saw a real lord again and learned proper discipline.
Are you afraid of a young girl with all the armed soldiers you have?
What? I'm not afraid. I want order. But this house is in a shambles.
Ja, weil die
The
Whiteheels
problem
da sind.
starts at the top, Roderick.
Careful, boy.
You yourself had the gall to strike one of my men. And that's the real problem with you Foresters. You're too fucking proud. Always have been. It was bad enough when you were above us. And now it's even worse. Because you don't see how far you've fallen.
Still high enough to look down at you.
Wait. Forgive her. Forgive her. The passions of youth. No one questions your authority, Griff. You have the power.
Oh, I like him. You thought this was your man, Roderick? He's mine. A dog to be sure, but my dog. That's how I like to see you, Foresters. Obedient servants, eager to please your master.
He's a loyal member of my house. A man of peace. And he deserves to be treated as such.
You don't get it, do you? You Foresters need to learn when you're beaten.
Alter, geht's
You'll
noch?
learn some fucking humility. Or this won't be the last lesson I teach you, Foresters!
Have you no honor? I'll run you through for that. I'll cut you down like straw men. Take him, Royland. My bloody pleasure.
Natürlich hat er drauf gewartet, das ist mir schon klar. Das ist der Grund, den er braucht.
No. Make him watch this. I bet this makes you angry, eh? You probably want to get up and hit me. But we know how that would go, don't we? Now,
Ich könnte ihm
are
noch
you
einen
gonna be a
Kinnhaken
good
geben.
little
Oder
Forester?
ins Auge
Learn
spucken.
your lesson and stay down.
Roderick!
Und Forrester bleibt nicht liegen.
I will not yield.
You bloody snot.
Au.
Why don't you fucking get it?
Man könnte zu wenigstens mal blocken.
Get up, Roderick!
Stay down, my lord.
Your brother Ethan didn't know his place either. Ramsay's snow taught him good. Talia here will meet the same end. Unless you're a good little Forester. You learn your place. And stay down. Some
Ja,
Forester
ich
is
sollte
gonna
am
learn
Boden
their
bleiben.
lesson.
Verstanden,
Don't
ich
have to
kann hier
do
null
that, Lord
ausrichten.
Griff.
Don't you dare! You stay down! Stay in the mud like a dog!
Komm her, das kriegen wir hin.
This is my place.
You fool!
My lord.
What? Bloody cripple! Are you fucking deaf?
You'll never keep the Foresters down.
Hold there, or you're next!
Please, Lord Griff, not the arm. If you persist, Lord Roderick may lose it.
Now, stay down. Tell me! Will you be a good little Forester? Oh,
Auch kein Stock, um aufzustehen. Aber es geht besser mit Stock.
Command you!
Let him
I'll
alone!
do as I like! You should fear me! I'm in charge here!
Ich glaube nicht, Tim.
No! I alone rule this house. Don't think this is over, Roderick! You'll see! I will make you suffer for this! Trust in that!
Eine saublöde Idee.
Careful.
Wir hätten unten bleiben sollen
Roderick!
und ihn
You
nicht
didn't let
reizen
him
sollen.
do it! He couldn't keep you down!
You were brave, but there will be consequences, my son. We
Yeah.
both know that.
Ich glaube, das war eine sehr dumme Idee.
Do you see that? Standing up to Griff has made him harsh. More severe.
Form up!
He could have killed you. But what you did, the strength you showed us. You looked like yourself again.
I couldn't just stand by and let Griff punish you. Damn the consequences. And I'd do it again. 1,000 times.
I know you would. And when you're better, things will be different. I asked Ethan not to change who he was. I tried to make him promise me. I now know that was childish of me. I'm ready to change now. I'm willing to do anything to help our family. I mean it, Roderick. I don't care what. I'll do it.
That's good. I'm sure a time will come when our house will call upon you to do what's necessary. But that time is not now.
And I'm sure the others will do whatever it takes as well. What you did, provoking Griff, it hasn't taken our house to war just yet. But
No one can know the future. Whatever tomorrow brings, Talia, the Foresters will stand tall.
We did it. I can't believe it.
Okay.
What are you waiting for?
I can't.
What? After everything we just...
I can't burn it.
The Khaleesi will see you now.
So, Asher Forrester, if you presume to speak of my dragons, choose your words carefully.
Oh, wir reiten uns immer weiter in die Kacke rein.
Next time on Game of Thrones.
Oh, das war Khaleesi, oder?
What have you done, Garrett? Frostfinger is calling for your head. Tell me Britt's death was an accident.
Mira, what are you doing? Mira, just tell me what's going on. What are you hiding from me?
We are weak. We have no allies. And Griff will make us pay for your defiance.
There's been a raven from Lord Whitehill. He's invited us to High Point.
Drogon wouldn't have attacked without reason.
By order of the Queen,
Fuck you and your queen.
deal with your friend.
Nothing ever stays in the past, Asher.
Carried. It's
to go.
Okay. Abspann. Keine Musik dieses Mal? Soll ich was singen? Ride on, Ethan the Brave und so weiter und so fort. Ich lasse das jetzt einfach mal. Nee, ernsthaft jetzt. Also Musik wäre, naja, okay, wenigstens kommt jetzt hier kein Copyright-Gedönse da, sowas. Okay, ja. Ich fand's halt faszinierend, dass genau zu dem Zeitpunkt, wo ich gesagt habe, so ab jetzt sind wir badass, ich lass mir das hier nicht mehr gefallen. Und dann kommt das Spiel und sagt dir so, ist übrigens keine Zeit für Badass, es wäre jetzt eine richtig, richtig, richtig gute Idee, nicht einen harten Mann zu spielen. Wäre vielleicht besser gewesen, weil wir haben keine Leute, wir haben keine Soldaten, wir haben keine Verbündeten, wir haben kein gar nichts. Und er weiß, dass wir vorhatten, den Bruder zurückzuholen. Ich behaupte jetzt einfach mal, also wir sollen nach Whitehill kommen, oder wie das heißt. Keine Ahnung, hab's schon vergessen. Und er wird unseren Bruder töten. Vor unser aller Augen. Gehe ich mal stark von aus. Also, keine Ahnung, schätze ich jetzt mal so. Mojo Jojo, okay. Ja. Peekaboo the Cat, was ist denn das für ein dummer Katzenname? Ja, aber das werden wir dann morgen sehen. Morgen geht's dann in die, lass mich überlegen, 4. Staffel, glaube ich. Muss mal gucken. Ja. Also Episode 4. Erste Folge. Machen euch die... wird's gegen die White Walker ein bisschen? Ja, hopp. Werden wir alles morgen sehen. Vielleicht treffe ich dann bessere Entscheidungen. Ciao. Badass.